Hey everybody. So I figured everybody's getting kind of cooped up. So I thought I would share a little bit of my farm with you. Show you what's happening on the Baker farm. Just to give you a little taste of the country while we're cooped up in our houses. So here we go. Baker farm. Here's my girls. They're pretty happy it's not raining today. Look at them. They think I have a treat. Oh, look, I do. I have a treat. Let's see what happens when I give them their treat. Here's some wide open spaces. Just a little bit. I'll show you a little more in a second. Okay, girls. You ready for a treat? Okay, let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. What do you think, girls? Are you hungry? You still have plenty of food over there. You dumped it out on the ground, I see. So this is their special treat that they get. Just in the evening. Look at that chicken right there. Somebody's been pulling the feathers off her back. Poor thing. Who's the meanie out there pulling the feathers off? What do you think, girls? What about you over here? You want some treats? Here they go. There's all the ladies. Enjoy, ladies. Okay, ladies. I'm going in. Closed up the door. There's still a couple in here. We've got our most infamous Hey Hey, who likes to just kind of chill out in her box. But we're going to see how many eggs they gave us today. Let's see. Oh, you better back it up, girl. You can't run out of there. We got a few in there. We got quite a few in there. Got 2 in there. Oh, we got 2 in there too. It looks like they kicked out all their bedding. We got a whole bunch of eggs today. This is just life on the Baker farm. We never run out of eggs. Hi, Hey Hey. Do you have an egg in there? Look, Hey Hey laid an egg. I think that's her first of the season. Good job, girl. Good job. Here's our collection of beautiful, beautiful eggs. Good job, ladies. Okay, so this may look like totally alien to you, but these are shiitake mushrooms. And I'm growing them on logs. So I have a plethora of shiitakes that I need to pick because with all the rain and the warm weather, they've all just decided to pop out. They're delicious and so good for you. Look at that beautiful mushroom. I wanted to show you our Lenten roses are blooming. Somehow they know that it's Lent and they're so pretty. Look at them. Lenten roses, they only bloom during Lent. Amazing. So this is our giant mulch pile. We always get tree shreds from a local tree guy. He just brings them and dumps them and we put them in our garden. We line all of our rows with mulch and it just decomposes and becomes awesome soil. Brings in the worms. So here's our garden. It's pretty much still sleeping. Where you see the straw, that's our strawberries. And already they're coming to life. I'll show you what it looks like. So we got some weeds that we need to pull out for sure. But the mulch definitely keeps weeds from growing up and it protects the surface of the soil. So if you look here, these are all little baby strawberries that are starting to emerge. And pretty soon they will have tons of blooms and will make delicious strawberries for us. They like to grow out in the rows. out in the aisles too. See, they've come out of their location, out of their row, and into the aisles where I'm probably going to step on them. Let's see what else is happening up here. So these are just empty rows. These will probably have like green beans or tomatoes or things like that. These are our blueberries. Let's see if we got any action in the blueberry world. Oh, got some buds and some little tiny leaves. Let's see. And we've got, this is our giant blackberry section, so we are basically like overrun with blackberries, which is okay. They freeze great, and look, there's blackberry leaves. Little leaves starting to come out. I don't know if I can focus on it. There they are. Little leaves. Awesome. Let's see, what else? We've got our trellis with nothing growing on it. Those will have green beans on them. Oh, but look, we planted asparagus last year, so this year we can't eat them, we can't harvest them, but look, there they are. Asparagus, already coming up. We just have to let them grow though. We have to let them turn into ferns. But next year we can eat them. Let's see, anything else happening? Lots of weeds in this bed. I'm gonna be busy. Got more blackberries. Look at our raspberries. The raspberries have lots of leaves on them. They look great. Awesome. That means spring is here. So this is just a little view of my garden when it's asleep. And when it's awake, it is green and lively.